Coachella day one. Let's make some coffee and talk about it. You guys, Lana's set was incredible. Wow. I put instant coffee and sugar inside of these like salud packs. I wanted to make like whipped coffee. For everybody that likes to slander Coachella and be like, it's so overrated, if you're really here for the music and for what it's intended for, no, it's not. Like, it's literally so much fun. So many different artists that you wouldn't usually otherwise see, like you can see here. Not leaving the festival grounds has just made the experience so much more better. Whereas before, you have to make a choice. You're either gonna stay for the whole like main stage performance, or you're going to leave early and then get home on time. Just because of like the traffic and the setup is like crazy. We actually got preferred parking this year. From where you walk out of the festival, it's probably like a 5-minute walk. But it's just nice to not have to leave early because you don't want to be in traffic forever.